Hey everybody, so this is gonna be the first video on us getting prepped for garden. Snow's gone, frost is gone, and we're actually expecting some rain. So I just want to touch base here a little bit with how we do our rainwater collecting. So I'll spin you guys around. So as you can see, I've got both of my downspout tubes that feed my tank are off because I just run the regular downspouts for the winter. And in this little shack here, this is my pump house. I'll get you guys have a look. So we run a filter, 5 micron filter. I got 2 pressure tanks just for the volume for when we do the gardening stuff. And then that's the valve and everything for this tank. So this is a surge tank. This is actually a milk tank that was on a dairy farm that a co-worker gave to me, a great number of years ago. I want to say 5, maybe 6 years ago. So anyways, yeah, I was just in it. I cleaned it. I always get that, what would you call it, pollen and a little bit of the dusty shit because, you know, we're out in the country and it all kind of lines inside of the tank. So I always like to start fresh every year. And yeah, so we're going to tie that into that irrigation box. That hose goes in and then that goes to the garden. So I just wanted to let you guys know that we're getting ready to start collecting water for the season. Hope you guys like that. We'll do a couple more videos here. I just want to get this one up or out, and then you guys got a good visual of this because I'm just going to hook everything up and get it ready to go. So cheers.